Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating some charcuterie boards. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Remember that you can use the wood serving boards all year long for all different kinds of occasions or even a single one for yourself. This video is part of a collaboration called the Wood Serving Open Invitation Collaboration, and this theme for this month is March Madness Meat and Cheeseboard. Oh, so how exciting is that? I absolutely love this collaboration. Now, this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Living Life with Lisa and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I decorate this board, and then I'll see you at the end. Remember that all are welcome to join in to an open collaboration. Also remember that as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now, doesn't this board look absolutely amazing? And I did make more than one. Let's head on over to the reveal. All right, so we have the board that I decorated with the meat and cheese. Then we had to have some sweets on this board, so I wasn't going to go without doing that. Here we have a white cake with some white frosting, some grapes on the side. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Then I made some blueberry puffs, and that's sitting on the board right next to that one. And then we have some finger meat sandwiches. I love it. You know what I love about these boards most is once you lay them out, you can go ahead and freely enjoy your company. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.